A powerful symbol of freedom and community has taken flight at Georgia Southern University. The unveiling of the Statue of Freedom, a beloved bald eagle mascot, is a heartfelt tribute to the eagle's legacy and impact on the university and its people. Freedom's journey began in 2004 when he was found injured and unable to return to the wild. From that moment on, he became an integral part of the Georgia Southern community, attending football games, graduations, and bringing joy to students and locals alike. The statue, unveiled on a Friday afternoon, will stand proudly in front of Paulson Stadium, alongside the statue of Burke Russell. This permanent memorial is a testament to Freedom's role in uniting the community and inspiring generations of students. Steve Hein, the executive director of the Center for Wildlife Education, played a pivotal role in bringing freedom into the hearts of the Georgia Southern family. Hein's dedication extended beyond Freedom's flights at football games. He ensured the iconic Raptors' presence at local schools and community events, solidifying Freedom's status as a beloved symbol. At the unveiling ceremony, David Ball shared a memorable anecdote about Hein's initial proposal to acquire a live eagle. Ball's enthusiastic response, despite the 13-year wait, highlights the impact Freedom had on the university's traditions and spirit. Hein's dedication to Freedom extended beyond his official duties. After each home game, Hein would patiently wait with Freedom until the last person had their moment with the eagle. One heartwarming story shared at the event showcased Freedom's ability to touch lives deeply. A woman, speaking Spanish, approached Hein and Freedom, weeping with joy. She explained that Freedom symbolized her desire to become a U.S. citizen, showcasing the eagle's power to inspire and connect people. The restoration and construction of the statue and pedestal were meticulously managed by the Betty Foy Sanders Department of Art. The landscaping, completed by the Division of Facilities Planning, Design Construction, and Dabbs Williams General Contractors, ensures the statue's installation is a beautiful and fitting tribute. Freedom's impact went beyond his majestic presence. He brought people together, evoked smiles, and reminded everyone of the unique and special traditions at Georgia Southern University. Steve Hein's care and friendship allowed Freedom to thrive and leave an indelible mark on the university's history. But here's where it gets controversial. Some may argue that keeping Freedom in captivity, even with the best intentions, raises ethical questions. What are your thoughts on the balance between honoring a beloved mascot and ensuring the well-being of these majestic creatures? Share your opinions in the comments, and let's spark a respectful discussion.